How to fix a frozen or unresponsive Acer laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an Acer laptop that is not responding when you move the mouse or anything on the keyboard. It's completely frozen and not responding. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's actually really easy to fix this. All we need to do is perform what's called a hard reset, and that just forces the laptop to shut down, and then we can power it back on very easily. So to do this, we simply need to hold down the power button, and that's what the power button looks like on my Acer computer. I'm just going to hold it down. We just want to hold the power button down for around 10 to 15 seconds. So you should see the display turn off. So just keep holding it, keep holding it. All right, so it just turned off. I'm going to keep holding it for around 5 seconds after it turned off. And then now that we've waited, we can now let go of the power button and go ahead and press it down again for around 2 to 3 seconds. And that'll just get it booting up again, and wait around 10 seconds and it should boot up again and start responding to your mouse and keyboard. So as you can see, it's starting to boot up. Give it some time. All right, and as you can see, my mouse is working, my keyboard is working, and I can start logging in and using my computer again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.